Welcome to Factivity. Imagine a virus that strips away your humanity. In the 2000s, a mysterious virus circulated on Turkish internet forums. The VC-17 virus, also known as vampire genetics. Some sources refer to it as endogenous retrovirus 17V. This classification suggests the virus is a retrovirus, a type of virus capable of integrating into a cell's DNA and permanently altering it. HIV is one such example. But VC-17 is different. This virus transforms the human digestive system, muscular structure, and especially nerve cells. These aren't symptoms of an ordinary illness. This is the beginning of a mutation, and this mutation gives birth to vampirism. According to the accounts, VC-17 doesn't infect humans directly. The first known carrier was a rare species of spider. This spider bit a bat. The virus merged with the bat's genetic code, and that bat was no longer just a bat. It became a carrier. If that bat bites a human, the mutation begins. It doesn't happen overnight. Early symptoms include fatigue, intense sugar cravings, and light sensitivity. Then, the human begins to drift away from being human. One of the earliest symptoms in VC-17 carriers is an insatiable craving for sweets. But this isn't just about taste. It's a biological command. The virus rewrites the host's body. Their energy system now runs exclusively on glucose. Sweets offer temporary relief, but the craving is unstoppable, because that craving is actually the precursor to bloodlust. A sugar craving is the body's warning sign, right before it turns to blood. Over time, carriers of VC-17 develop remarkable abilities. Their vision is up to 8 times sharper than that of normal humans. Their senses of smell, hearing, and sight become highly enhanced. Some purebloods can sense the emotions and thoughts of others. Their muscle structure improves, boosting physical strength. Thanks to high regenerative abilities, their wounds heal rapidly. Brainwave activity increases, enabling accelerated learning. Some accounts claim they avoid touching water and looking into mirrors. They can go out in sunlight, but they find it extremely uncomfortable. Istanbul, 2004. Forum story. A user shared that his roommate started acting strangely at night, developed allergic reactions to bright light, and became terrified of animals. He consumed sweets all night and struggled to wake up in the morning. He was often seen licking his own blood. Ankara, 2006. University Club. Incident: a group of university students formed a VC-17 observation team. They observed changes in a friend, darkening eye color, increased nighttime activity, and a reluctance to be near water. They also reported their friend making strange, involuntary sounds at night. This incident spread online as a real vampire case. USA, Yale University. Research claim. Rumors suggest a secret study at Yale University reported around 13,000 VC-17 carriers worldwide. 12,000 were classified as feeding on animal blood, while 700 were labeled feral vampires for consuming human blood. Allegedly, some governments are aware of the virus's existence. It's said they've established secret vampire surveillance units to control the spread. Individuals with red eyes, purplish nail beds, and an intense obsession with blood are being monitored by these units. According to a darker rumor, these individuals are either controlled or eliminated by a covert group known as the Vampire Council. There are no official scientific records confirming the existence of VC-17. Medical literature contains no data under the name endogenous retrovirus 17V. However, some biologists claim that around 8% of human DNA is made up of remnants of ancient retroviruses. So, the reactivation of such a virus someday isn't scientifically impossible. In fact, some sci-fi writers speculate that retroviruses might trigger mutations that lead to superhuman abilities. Could VC-17 be one of them? Maybe that pale-faced man you passed on the subway this morning was a VC-17 carrier. Maybe that woman you locked eyes with in the nightclub was an observer, preparing to take your blood sample. Maybe you are someone a carrier has already touched. It started with a rumor. It took shape through a virus. It turned into a legend. The VC-17 virus. Is it just an urban myth? Or a hidden truth lurking in the shadows. Real vampires might be closer than you think.